Hi everyone, this is Nicole Spohr and welcome back to Plan with Nicole. Today I'm going to share with you a fun little haul of Doodlebug products that I have always loved since my scrapbooking days. And if you're interested in seeing what I recently picked up and how I might be using them in my planners for 2022, keep watching. Hey everyone, it's Nicole Spohr for Plan with Nicole, and today I have a kind of unboxing. It's just an unpackaging, kind of a non-traditional planner kind of haul, I guess, but let's open it and then I'll talk about it. So this is a recent order I got from Simon Says Stamp, which is the company that I work for card making, and what I ordered was a whole bunch of Doodlebug. I'm so excited. Doodlebug has been one of my very favorite companies since my scrapbooking days. And I saw some stickers that I thought would be perfect for planning, and so I picked them up. So I'm going to just kind of go through, it's a very small haul, but of course I have washi tape. Not all washi tape is equal, in my opinion. But Doodlebug always shines, so I always love theirs. And look at these cute. I often use them to close up my envelopes when I'm mailing out cards, but I also use them for planning. And so I got these three darling little patterns here. We got snowflakes, stripes, and polka dots. I love them. I love them so much. Okay, so we got three washies, and then these are the stickers that I had to have for planning. These are the mini icons, perfect for planners and calendars. They are not kidding. This is so cute. I was going to see if the name was on here somewhere. I thought this collection had a name. Am I just completely blind, you guys? Oh, Let It Snow. There it is. Let It Snow, which is true. Now, I don't think that this border here is cut, but it's on the sticker paper. So if you cut it into a strip, or even two, if you want to make thinner washi, you could make this into washi as well. Make that sticker into washi. Let's open it up and look at it because there's three sheets. I just had to have them. I love them. I think they're so whimsical and cute and fun. I love these snowmen. The polar bears, I thought I could create some really cute scenes. Like they have mountains and signs. They have these penguins in the little cart up here. What are these called? Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm having a total brain fog moment, showing my age. But little penguins and coffee or hot chocolate cups and little hearts and snowflakes, village things, snow globe and trees, Santa in the truck. So I really thought there could be some cute scene building. I mean, look, there's more buildings. There's the like little reindeer barn, reindeers. I mean, you guys, how cute is this? I'm going to remember the name of these probably when I'm done filming. I love them. I love these. And another little building. So you can be sure that I'm going to be building a scene with this. Yeti. I mean, Santa on his little snowmobile. I just can't get over these cute critters. You guys know, if you follow me in card making, cute critters are one of my very favorite things. And Doodlebug just does their stuff right. So I saw this. This is the whole reason that I got an order. And I was like, well, while I am shopping, let's see what other cute stuff they have. Oh, this is for stamping. I lost my set. So we'll just move that away because it's not for planning. The fall set. This is pumpkin spice. I mean, the name, you guys. Let's check it out. I know it's not fall anymore, but I went ahead and purchased these because I love them. Is this just two sheets? Yep, two different sheets. Okay, so we've got a tractor, which you can put, you know, the little cart with the corn in it. We've got bears, raccoons, foxes, moose, sunflowers, pumpkins, all the pumpkin spice. Yes, I know, not fall. We're in Christmas, but you guys, I'm going to be using this, and I love it. So cute. Look at all the little pumpkin pies. Next fall, so very cute. I did buy these. Normally, I won't use anything with dimension in my planner, but if I don't, I'll use them in card making. But I love their shape sprinkles. They are fairly flat, so I don't know if you can see that. I mean, the package is really thin. So I may, but I love these. I love their hearts, you guys. I'm a huge heart freak. I love them. Oh, and this was totally, okay, this is funny. These are chocolate chips. I think they're supposed to be chocolate chips. But they kind of look like the poo emoji too. I did not get them for the poo emoji. Okay, I actually got them because they're chocolate chips and I thought they'd be cute like with cookie die cuts or something. I probably won't use them for planning, but they're cute. I might. This was the fall ones, the pumpkin spice collection. Oh, this is called Happy Fall. But it matches that pumpkin spice sticker sheet, and I thought that all the leaves and acorns were cute. And truth be told, I ordered this forever ago and I just got my order, so. Sunflowers, birds, mushrooms. I mean, again, super cute. This is called Fall Friends. Oh, and here, this is probably going to be the rest of the winter stuff. Actually, let's go through the rest of the fall. So then there's the pumpkin spice, and then there's like the pie and stuff. Oh, and see, here's some cookies, and I thought the chocolate chips would be cute with the cookies. So I don't know, I might use them, but aren't they cute? I don't know. I just had a little freak out with all the cute Doodlebug. And then I did get the snowman and then the cute little critters in the shape sprinkles. These are Polar Pals and Frosty Friends. So again, super small haul, but you'll be seeing the Christmassy stuff in an upcoming video soon because this is the whole reason I placed my order. I think it's super, super cute. And I will have links in the description below to where I can find these in stock. I know scrapbook.com carries this line. Like I said, Simon Says Stamp has it. So if I can find it in stock somewhere, I will link them to multiple sources down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you enjoy the content, if you love seeing haul videos and my planner spread videos, definitely like, subscribe. All that stuff helps so much. I super appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody. Bye.